Yo guys, you want to start earning money online, so you need these two platforms. There is this website and there is this website. This is a wallet and this is the website. So whatever I earn from this website, it will go direct to the wallet. So make sure you follow, you like this video, and you comment anything you would like to know about how to make money online. So let me take you the video. Website is called ProfitDec.com website. So let me show you how to earn money. As you clicked in that link, so you reach this page, so you have to click in sign up. So I'm going to show you how to sign up your account. You have to enter your username and enter a unique one. Don't enter your name. So here you have to put your email address, enter the password and confirm the password here down. Verify that you're not a robot, then click in submit. Then your account will be created immediately. But I have already registered here and I have already earned and withdrawn. So let me log in into my account. So you can see here, let me verify that I'm not a robot so that they can log me to my dashboard. Then I click in submit. So you can see that this is my dashboard and you can see that I have a balance of 3.5 gems. Here you earn gems. I'm going to show you how to make money here without depositing anything, just earning. So we have deposit now, we have start earning, we have setting, we have withdraw. So let me show you how to make money here. So you have to click in the three bars in the corner. We have home, we have PTC ads, we have advertise, we have earn more, we have account. So let me show you everything step by step. If you click in the home page, it will take you back to the home page here. But as we are going to start earning money here, if you click the three bars again, you have this section called the PTC ads. Here you watch ads and earn gems, and the rate of gems is on the screen as you can see. So you can watch ads here for 20 seconds. You can say I have already watched some, so you can just click an ad like this one. Here I'm going to earn 0.5 gems, so you can click an ad like that one. Then you look for the go button here, so just click and go. Wait for 20 seconds to reach so that you can earn. So let me pause a bit and wait for them. I think that 20 seconds are done, so I'm going to go back to the page. You can see that now I have watched the ad, and let me check in my dashboard here. If I come to the dashboard section, you can see that my balance has increased. So you can make money here by watching ads in this section. So let me show you the other section which says earn more. You can find their offer wells, and from offer wells you can earn up to $20, $100 a day. So let me show you. Here you find different offer wells. Just click in one offer well. You wait for it to verify, and some offer wells needs you to register up an account. So let's wait for the verification here. It is loading. So it is successful. So I'm going to click in show offer wells. So here you can play games, you can learn more by just teaching yourself what they need in the website. Just click here on the three bars in the corner. You can do clicks are ads. You can watch ads and earn gems. So you can see that here you can earn gems, different amounts of gems here. So you can also click and view offers. You can do offers and still earn coins. So you can see here you can earn 1,000 gems, you can earn 2,000 gems, you can earn 36 gems. Based on what you do here, that's how you earn money. So the more you do tasks, the more you earn money. So as I told you, the rate of the coin, the rate of the gems is on the screen. So if you earn 1,000 gems, that is $1. So here you can earn up to $1,000 a day. So you can find more offers here. So once you earn, everything is credited direct to your balance. So I'm going to show you how to withdraw money, since I have shown you how to earn money. But before I show you how to withdraw money, you need to come here to the account section and join their socials. You can join their Telegram channel, their Telegram chats, their Twitter, their YouTube, so that you can so that you can be aware of the offers which they provide here. So if I come back to the dashboard again, I wanted to show you how to withdraw money. So I told you that we need two apps. We need FaucetPay and we need this app. So let me show you the FaucetPay. This is now my FaucetPay wallet. The link to register it will be also down in the description. It just needs also an email address, a username. So here you can see that I have zero balance on my account, and here they need the email address which you use to register with FaucetPay. So let me enter it. So I'm going to click in any coin. I'm going to choose the coin which I want to use. In this case I want to use Litecoin. So let me enter Litecoin. So I have to enter the amount, then I click in submit. So let me enter here 4. Let me just enter only 4. So I click in submit. You can see that the payment has been sent. If I come back to the FaucetPay wallet and then I try, you can see the balance has been credited. So payments here are automatic. Just by going there, create an account, start earning, then all payments are processed automatic. If I scroll down, you can see the payment is from ProfitDec website. So that is it for today. Make sure you follow me, like this video, and comment anything you'd like in the description, in the comment section. So thank you.